10 Habits That Keep You Poor, Insights from Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful and renowned investors, is often celebrated for his financial acumen and wealth-building strategies. While Buffett's advice on wealth creation is widely sought after, he has also been outspoken about habits and behaviors that can keep people poor. This essay explores 10 habits that Warren Buffett has highlighted as impediments to financial success. 1. Lack of financial literacy. One of the key habits that can keep individuals poor is a lack of financial literacy. Buffett emphasizes the importance of understanding basic financial principles, such as budgeting, investing, and compound interest. Without a fundamental understanding of these concepts, individuals may make poor financial decisions that hinder their wealth-building potential. 2. Procrastination. Warren Buffett has often stressed the significance of starting early when it comes to investing and saving. Procrastination can rob individuals of the benefits of compounding, making it difficult to accumulate substantial wealth over time. People who delay saving and investing may find it challenging to catch up later in life. 3. Uncontrolled spending. Excessive spending and an inability to live within one's means can significantly hinder financial growth. Buffett advocates for frugality and the importance of distinguishing between needs and wants. Overspending, especially on non-essential items, can drain financial resources and prevent wealth accumulation. 4. High levels of debt. Buffett cautions against taking on excessive debt, particularly for non-productive purposes. Borrowing money for luxuries or consumer goods can lead to interest payments that eat into one's income and wealth. Sensible borrowing for investments in assets that appreciate in value is preferred. 5. Lack of diversification. Warren Buffett has emphasized the importance of diversifying one's investments to manage risk. A lack of diversification, whether through overconcentration in a single asset or failing to spread investments across various sectors, can leave individuals vulnerable to significant financial losses. 6. Short-term thinking. Buffett encourages long-term thinking when it comes to investments and financial decisions. Focusing solely on immediate gains or attempting to time the market can lead to poor investment choices and missed opportunities for long-term growth. 7. Neglecting to invest in yourself. Investing in personal development, education, and skill building is a habit Buffett highly values. Neglecting one's own growth and professional development can limit earning potential and hinder financial success. 8. Aversion to risk. While caution is essential in financial matters, being overly risk-averse can prevent individuals from seizing opportunities for growth. Buffett suggests that calculated risks are necessary for wealth creation and encourages individuals to embrace opportunities with a reasonable level of risk. 9. Neglecting savings. Saving money is a crucial habit that can keep you from poverty. Buffett advises individuals to save first and then spend what remains, rather than spending first and saving what's left. Consistent saving is a foundation for financial security and growth. 10. Failure to learn from mistakes. Warren Buffett emphasizes learning from one's financial mistakes. Repeating the same errors without reflection or adaptation can hinder progress. Acknowledging and learning from past financial missteps is a vital step toward building wealth. Warren Buffett's insights on financial habits that can keep people poor are a valuable guide to achieving financial success. By embracing financial literacy, avoiding procrastination, practicing discipline in spending and borrowing, thinking long-term, and learning from mistakes, individuals can increase their chances of building and preserving wealth. It is crucial to heed Buffett's advice and adopt prudent financial habits for a more secure and prosperous future. If you enjoyed the video, kindly consider subscribing, giving it a thumbs up, or sharing it. Your support is greatly appreciated. Thank you.